Good morning, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension over in Duncan, Arizona. This is our demonstration garden. We've been chopping a few weeds, and as luck would have it, we dinged an irrigation line here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that leaker out. I'm going to replace it with a coupler, and then we're going to flush it. This line goes around and ends over there where we have a flush cap. So once we've repaired this, we're going to open that flush cap, run a little bit of water through it to make sure we didn't get any dirt in the line that might eventually plug an emitter. This line is a 710 poly, and we're using the appropriate coupler depending on where you buy your poly tubing. There are other sizes, so you always want to make sure that you're buying the right fittings for your line, and they are color coded. So the blue is the 710. Okay, so we're going to come in here and we're going to cut out this damaged part, and we want to make sure that when we remove a piece that we still have enough line to get it shoved into these compression fittings. So these compression fittings just shove on. They have a little ridge inside, and the water pressure expands the line and makes a nice tight fit. So we put this on with a little bit of a twisting and a rocking motion. So we let this flush for a bit, and of course this is why you put a flush cap on, because without flushing that line there's a good chance we could have got a little dirt inside of that line, which would then find its way downstream to an emitter. We check our repair. The repair is good, so now we fill it in. Now, one thing you want to be aware of when you start filling this, I dug underneath to give myself room to work. Well, you want to make sure and pack soil under it. If I just throw the soil back in, the weight of the soil will push this down and possibly cause a leak here on this barbed connector, or even potentially bend this to an angle where either one of them would leak. So we fill in underneath so that our line has support, and then we go ahead and cover it up. And that is repairing the poly tubing in your drip system.